Hi class! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Mark U. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet number 2, which is still about earthquakes, epicenter, and magnitude. So let us now begin. Question number 1. Look at the image below. What do you call this instrument? The correct answer is seismometer. Question number 2. It refers to the strength of the trembling made by an earthquake at a place. The correct answer is intensity. Question number 3. How many levels does the modified Mercalli scale have? The correct answer is 12. Question number 4. What does PEIS stand for? The correct answer is Phoenix Earthquake Intensity Scale. Question number 5. Which of the following is the description of earthquake intensity 2? The correct answer is felt by few individuals at rest indoors. Question number 6. What type of earthquake focus can be used if its focal depth from the Earth's surface is greater than 300 kilometers? The correct answer is deep focus. Question number 7. It refers to areas along which displacement is expected to occur. The correct answer is active fault. Question number 8. What do you call those red lines that run from Luzon to the northern part of Mindanao? Use the image below. The correct answer is fault. Question number 9. Which of the following are the affected areas of the Marikina Fault Valley System? The correct answer is Montalban, San Mateo, Pasig, Taguig, Muntinlupa. Question number 10. It refers to areas that can be identified but which do not have earthquakes. The correct answer is inactive fault. Question number 11. Which Philippine fault line are Moro Gulf and the Celebes Sea part of? The correct answer is southern of Mindanao Fault. Question number 12. Look at the intensity scale of an earthquake below. What intensity scale would be given if the description is motorists feel like driving in flat tires? The correct answer is intensity 6. Question number 13. Using the map of active faults and trenches in the Philippines, where do you think is the safest place to live on because faults are not seen in this place? The correct answer is Palawan. Question number 14. Which of the following is true about intensity? The correct answer is intensity tells how much a certain area was shaken when the earth reached that area. Question number 15. What type of earthquake focus can be used when the focal depth from the earth's surface is less than 70 kilometers? The correct answer is shallow focused. This ends this video. Congratulations if your score is 8 or above. And if your score is 7 or below, it means that you have to watch again the discussion video and look for the correct answers in your missed questions. Thank you for listening.